our pain. I say it again. God is a concept by which we measure our pain. Oh yeah, oh yeah. I don't believe in magic. I don't believe in action. I don't believe in salad. I don't believe in pizza. I don't believe in Jesus. I don't believe in Kennedy. I don't believe in a Bible. I don't believe in a mantra. I don't believe in yoga. I don't believe in a printer. Don't believe in kingdoms. Don't believe in Elvis. I don't believe in a Zimmerman. I don't believe in the Beatles. Just believe in me. You're good at me. Oh, that's rich. Dream is over. Oh, what can I say? Dream is over. Oh, yesterday I was the sweet river, but now I'm wrong. I was the worst, but now I'm young. You just have to carry on.